तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्पमिश्रतुलसीं मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वो. What do we hold on to when we get shaken up in this material world? In this world of change, we hold on to something that does not change at all. We hold on to something that does not change at all, dear devotees. We have to remember this. We can't hold on to something that constantly changes. It will shake us up. We have to hold on to something that does not change at all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Lotus feet of Lord Hare, lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna. First thing we do when we get shaken up in this shaky world. Whether we get shaken up or not, we want to see that this is the only shelter we have. This is where we want to be. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadho Jeevanam Anandambudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamritasvadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. When we hold on to that tight, not only we will remain unshaken, but we will get the strength that we need to do the things of this world. We get steadier there, and then, of course, the Harinam will allow us to get absorbed further. All that is by strongly holding on to the lotus feet of Sri Harinam Prabhu. Namna Makari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shakti Tatrarpitanyamita Smaranena Kalam Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Dotaiva Mitrishamika Jininanuram Rinadapi Sunichena Tarore Vasahishna Amanina Manadena Irtaniya Sada Harim Nadanam Najanam Nasundarim Kavitam Vachakadisha Kamaye Mama Janmani Janmani Shwari Bhavata Bhakti Hai Tukitvaye Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishamim Bhavam Buddham Kripayam Tava Pada Pankaja Stita Dhuli Satrisham Vichintaya. Whether this world shakes us up or not, our prayer will remain the same. Nanda Tanuja Krishna, very kindly keep us as a saffron dust particle at your lotus feet. Kindly pick us up from this ocean of material modes, poisonous ocean of material modes. This is the truth. That's why we feel the heat, because this is the poisonous ocean of material modes. Our prayer will remain the same, even if we are shaken up with this material energy or not. Ayinanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam bodha. Kripaya tava pada pankaja stita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. Nayanam kaladashrudharaya vadanam gadgadaruddhaya giram pulakair nichitair vapukada tava nama krihane bhavishyati yugayitam nimishena chakshusha pravachyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahe namo Only one prayer to you. Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Whether this material world shakes me up or not, whatever might happen, very kindly keep us at your lotus feet as a saffron dust particle and not move from there at all. Get us addicted to your lotus feet, loving service to your lotus feet, that even a moment of separation from that will cause us withdrawal. This is the prayer. Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Even if this material world is shaking me up or not, the prayer will not change. Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Aslishyavang padaratam pinastumam adarshana marmahatam karotu yada tadha vidadhataulam pato matprananathastu sayevana paraham. Prananatha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites the Sri Sikshashtakam given by Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Matya Sarva Sreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadha Nama Lele Taye Premadana Athayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Nami Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. Whatever may happen to us as Vaishnavas, our Nivedana will remain the same. Atayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान